Welcome in my channel. I'm happy today to discuss with you about important issues to note in troubleshooting of electronics device. Let's look 5 basic and important issues to note when you plan or you work with electronic repair. The first issue. Make sure you start with easiest and quickest steps, then end up with hardest and longest troubleshooting steps that you suspect to be cause of faults. It is more best when you start with steps like visual inspection, continuity of fuse and wire, and finally ending up with steps like IC checking. Because sometimes faults can be just due to burn up fuse and lose connection. The second issue. Use a datasheets if you're not familiar with a certain component. Very important to use datasheets so as you can be able to test a certain component, also to know the principle of how it works and the all specifications about that component. Because you can't make test on a components which you're not familiar with. Make sure you know how component works so as to be accurately test it. The third issue. Once you find a bad component, try to check it components which are connected to that bad component, to see if they are still work good. Then fix all bad components, then check if fault has been solved. The fourth issue. Work systematically. This means that, working in a methodical or efficient way by follow the troubleshooting procedures. I have another video which explains all steps used in troubleshooting of electronics. The 5 issue. Isolation from power. Electronic device works in different power. Some works at high voltage. Make sure you isolate from danger of shock. Even in PCB the power before a cross step-down transformer is very high, so make sure your power off when power is not needed in that stage. Note all source of power and hazard symbols. And discharge all energy stored in device like capacitor. Thanks you for being with me. Let us meet again next time.